day here. If you guys were in here earlier, this is technically the same day. We're up about 4.2 grand here. So, yeah. Yeah. Chat. I'm going to wait for a little bit more people to come in here, then we'll get right back into it. What's the best platform to use? I would recommend TopStep. TopStep.com. I'm not affiliated with them, but they are the best platforms out there. I'm gonna wait for a little bit more people to join, and then we'll get right into this. Is it easy to pass for funded account, bro? I've blown many funded accounts, but I would say it just depends on what your strategy is and how you manage your risk overall. But other than that, if you have if your risk management down, if everything else down, then you should be fine. Did you just start the live? So I was live earlier. My Wi-Fi turned off, but I'm back. So, yeah. This is still the same day. I literally haven't even tried it yet. How can I try the top step prop firm? Is it legit, bro? Yeah, it is legit. It's the best prop firm out there. If you just go to topstep.com. Winnie, go away. Go away. Hey, go away. Go away. Right here, earn funding. This is you get to choose what prop firm you want here. Winnie, stop. Go. I'm being serious. The Wi-Fi is working. But let's get right into it. Yeah, so far we're up 4.2 grand, and yeah, let's get right into this thing. So, like I said, I am very bullish here. I expected price. Okay, so I am very bullish here, and this is the external range liquidity that I'm looking, the internal range liquidity that I'm looking to pump up to these highs up here. Technically, this high for the external range liquidity. So, as I tell, macro started 950. I'm looking for an entry here. Honestly, we have a sweep of liquidity. We have a change of state delivery. I'll go ahead and just long here. What are you doing? Okay, whatever. She's just in here. The worky calls it sell. I know, but this looks good for long, so I'm gonna go longs. I'll give this a shot. I kind of forgot what everything was going on, so I'm just gonna go ahead and give this a long position try here. And macro started. We should pump up from here. I'll go one contract. Place more. Oh, I'll go in with one contract here. Bro, why is the market? Who's that? That's my sister, bro. That's my sister. Okay, we're going along here. I don't know why it's bugging out. I'm gonna go ahead and place a long position here. Just one contract. We could get stopped out here. Okay, we got stopped out here, which is completely fine. This is back testing here. Worker one. No. We're still very bullish. We came out. I'm gonna wait for like I said, a change of state of delivery, which we did have. I'm gonna keep waiting here. We came down. We're still very bullish, so we're gonna see what happens here. So we got to change the state of delivery here. We could look to enter another position here. If we lose this position here, I'm going to just call it a day here. What are you backtesting on? I'm backtesting on FX replay. So let's go here. I'll go with one contract again. Light size, light risk. Okay, we got stopped out here. I'm going to call it a day here. Took 2 L's on the same day, but very light risk. But we're gonna go to a different day. And you can tell, this played out perfectly. We just got stopped out and the price eventually pushed back up. This is a decent trade, like I said. Next. Are you starting a new challenge this week? Probably not. I'm gonna backtest this new strategy, and we'll go from there. Winnie, go. No. Go on right now. No. Winnie, I'm busy right now. Go on. Go on right now. Come on. Go on. What's the new strategy? Oh, okay, I'll just give it a quick recap since people were just now. I started a new strat, or I watched the new strat and I changed it, and this strat has been like a lot better. So for the people that are new, that are wondering what the new strategy is, it's basically one. Let's see if the TikTok can see it real quick. Yeah, we can see they can see it. Okay, one. Internal internal range liquidity. Two, external range liquidity. So internal range liquidity is just basically fair value gaps. And then external range liquidity is just highs and lows. Next, two, find market maker, find some sort of market maker buy model or market maker sell model. Three, sweep a 15 M15 liquidity or 15-minute or M15 imbalance. Four, enter off change state of delivery or inverse fair value gap. Bonus.
It's the Wi-Fi again.
Okay, go living room. SMT. That is the strategy. We need go mom. Go around. Oh my goodness. Okay, she's just being like an idiot, bro. Woman, bro. I'm telling you. Okay, so then this is it. So going into the next day here, which is the next day, what do we see? What do we see? We pushed up. We swapped out this external range liquidity. We displaced above. I'm expecting this external range liquidity here. So drop down to the 15-minute time chart. I'm bullish. We set our bias for bullish. We end up sweeping out this low. We end up sweeping out this low. We top this order block. Or did we? Okay, we tapped this order block. I'm pretty sure. No, we did not. So I'm low-key expecting this order block to get tapped. And I'm going to wait till 950 to even look for position. So I'm just going to let the 950 play out. Just wait it out. So we ended up tapping this order block. Going to macro time. Right here. Macro time starts. What am I looking for? We could potentially come back down, sweep this internal low, and then push back up. Or we could come down, respect this order block that we have right here, and inverse the fair value gap here. So we ended up coming down, sweeping out the slow one more time. So right now, I'm going to wait. Do we have an inverse fair value gap? Yes, we do. We had a change of state of delivery here also. Change of state of delivery, inverse fair value gap. I'm going to go ahead and enter my long position here. I'm going to target these highs. Like I said, light risk, going with one contract here. Okay, we get stopped out, but this could still work. I'm probably going to wait it out here. Yeah, I mean, obviously, got it. Good luck this week. Hope the strategy works out. Okay, I'm like choking this strategy, low key. Whitney, go mom right now.
No.
God, Whitney, go mom. Whitney.
I'm so angry today.
Hold on, give me 1 second, chat. Oh my gosh, give me 1 second. Bro lost the trade. You start yelling at his sister, but that's how you do it, bro. When you lose, you gotta yell at your sister. Whitney, stop. Go to mom. Okay, I'm busy. Okay, I'm still gonna be looking for a trade. As you can tell, we displaced through these lows. So I'm looking for a 15-minute imbalance here. We still have this first 15-minute imbalance here. Like I said, I'm still very bullish here. And I'm expecting this higher time frame drawn liquidity. So I'm I'm going to give it another try. I'm going to wait. I'm still waiting. I'm not looking to take an entry yet. I want to see this inverse. I want to see this gap get inversed here. Okay. Honestly, we just keep dumping, right? We keep fucking dumping. We're not getting an entry. So, therefore, I am not taking this trade. I mean, obviously, next day. Realistically, we're past our opening. We're past this and everything. So, next day. What are we looking at? I want to see, like I said, this is still my drawn liquidity here. These highs. We're coming out of a daily fair value gap. I want to see these highs get swept. So, therefore, what am I looking for? These highs, these 4-hour highs to get swept. So, to drop down to 15-minute, what can we see? We have a 15-minute imbalance here. We could come down. Let's see. We have slight SMT here, but I'm not even going to count this. But we have an SMT. We have this imbalance here that we could come back down and mitigate, and we do have these lows that we could generate. So let's look at the 15-minute. This looks like your accumulation here, push down, accumulation here. We hit a point of interest. We swept up this liquidity down here, and then now we're starting to pump up, and these highs should get swept. This is your market maker buy model. This is your buy side of the curve here, and then your sell side of the curve here. We have two consolidations here, 1, 2 down here. We should seek up these highs that are marked out. So I'm expecting this fair value to come down and get tapped, and then 7:30 opening, which is right here. We could come back down and sweep out these lows too. So we're gonna have to see what happens. Like I said, marking out my 950 macro, which is right here, and then I'm gonna wait. We're coming down to 7:30 opening. We're not entering anything yet. So now, what do we see? Drop down to 15-minute. We came down. We swept out the slow. We tapped a higher time frame fair value gap, which is this hourly. We tapped this hourly fair value gap. We rebalanced. 15-minute. We swept out this liquidity. I'm looking for longs, right? This is your change in state of delivery right here. You could honestly enter off right here and have your stops down here and target this right here. Which is what we're going to do. Going to do here. Place order 1, market. See what happens. Okay. Wow. Got stopped out. But like I said, this was a clear trade. I mean, obviously this is a clear trade. This is a clear trade. We came down, tapped the hourly imbalance. We're bullish overall. We came up, displaced, got a change of state of delivery. We have imbalances here. Price just didn't want to go our way. We inverse this gap here. This is everything that I wanted to see. And like I said, this happens all the time. Losses are going to happen. Yeah, you don't forget the sauce. Okay, hold on. Okay, hold on. I'll bank this time. Watch. Watch. We're still in this hourly fair value gap, right? We swept out the slow. Let's see. Like I said, if we displace through, look, you guys are gonna call me crazy. I am not in college. No. This is New York session. I'm back testing right now. But as you can tell, we swept out the slow. We displaced. Did we displace? Yes, we did displace. So what I'm going to do is look for shorts now. As you can tell, my drawn liquidity is not correct. We're starting to displace. I want to see us push down now because we displaced here. So what I'm going to do is wait. Wait here. We do have a 5-minute imbalance that we're tapping into right now. I'm going to wait patiently here. So, What do we see here? We tapped the 5-minute imbalance, rejecting it off nicely. We got to change the state of delivery, which was this candle. I'm going to go ahead and enter a short position here. It stops at this high. And call me crazy, but this is probably drawing liquidity here. Like I said, one contract, market order. See what happens. Wow. Okay, so our bias was correct. We were correct, right? We were correct. And thing is, what could I have done better here? What could I have done better here? Our short position was correct. Obviously, we dumped, right? We dumped down. What could have we done better here? Was this an early entry? Was this an early entry? Or could I have had my stops above this fair value gap or even a little bit above this box and played it like that? The thing is, there's lots of things we could do here in this situation. If we had our stops here, we would have got stopped out. But if we had our stops above here, a little bit above the 5-minute fair value gap box, would we have gone stopped out? Obviously not. And this would have played out in our direction at most. Yeah, see, look, this would have played out regardless. Like I said, you need to know when to switch your bias. Right here, I saw that obviously we just got stopped out. We displaced through this low. So, I mean, obviously, we got stopped out, but like I said, it happens. Obviously, this is our draw liquidity. So, it happened. This is going to happen. You need to obviously know when to switch your bias, and obviously my bias was incorrect going from this longs. So, I switched to shorts, and we got stopped out, which is completely fine. But I was saying what we can make better, not to feel guilty. Like I said, obviously, I switched my bias, and we were correct. I entered this trade, got very stopped out here, and yeah, I mean, it happens. Let's see. Could have done a turtle soup, SMT, bruh. I mean, like I said, it happens, bro. I mean, this is something. Oh fuck, this is something I would have usually taken. Next trade. Next. What do we see? We're still in this internal range liquidity. I honestly could seek. We could seek out this high, and we have a fair value up above it. I'm pretty bullish again. I want to see this low get swept. Because look, because look on the 4-hour, it looks like we swept out this internal range, this external range liquidity. Same thing with here. I want to see some potential upside here. Watch. So, we're 7:30 opening. Right here. We could come back down, sweep out this low. I'm not going to enter until 9:30. Or not 9:30, 9:50. Here. Just chilling. Not looking to enter yet. Okay, so. What do we see? What do you see? We sweep out the slow. And do we have SMT? Yes, we have SMT between ES and EQ. Boom. And what else do we see? We inverse all of these gaps. We just inverse a whole bunch of these gaps. We have an inverse fair value gap here. Inverse fair value gap here. We just completely ran through it. We have also a fair value gap here that we just ran through. And we also had to change the state of delivery. So, could we enter longs here? Absolutely. Absolutely. Stops at this low. This is a very wide stop loss. So, what I'm going to do is have like stop loss here, honestly. This is my drawn liquidity, but the RR is complete shit. RR is complete shit. So, what are we doing? We're going to wait. We're going to wait. Good thing we waited. We came back. If we can inverse this gap right here that we create, I'm going to enter. The RR was not worth it. As you can tell, we would have got stopped out if we didn't enter that long. But I realized the RR is complete shit. So, we're going to wait again. We're going to wait. So, price finally came down to this 7:30 opening that we have here. So I'm just gonna keep waiting. So I'm gonna see if we have any SMT. I'm gonna see if we have any SMT first. Watch. We have SMT here. What else did we do? We came below 730 opening. We inversed this tiny little gap here. Tiny little inversion for a VI gap that we have here. Can we expect longs? Yes, we can. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my longs. This is, like I said, my target on liquidity is this high. But at the same time, this could be your first inducement here. This could be your first inducement. Right? But overall on the time frames, we're very bullish. We came down, we swept out all these lows. We're coming down to this 15-minute fair value gap. We tapped this order block. And we also tapped this order block here also. This should work. This should work. I'm decently confident in this trade. We have SMT, inverse fair value gap. This should work. As you can tell, we're working. I want to see this drawn liquidity here. That's the external range on the 4-hour time chart. But to be safe, we do have a 4-hour order block here. So I could just say, fuck it, taking my profits here. Okay, there we go. Like I said, this was just potentially probably just an early entry, and that's okay. Like I'm going to lose here, right? I'm obviously going to lose here and there. As you can tell, we're respecting this 4-hour order block. Tap this order block to dump. That's why I even took my profits up there. Said I'm still expecting this to be the drawn liquidity here. Let's see what happens. Yeah, we just dumped from this 4-hour order block here. Like I'm going to take losses, bro. And there's nothing I can do about it. I'm going to take losses regardless. Yo, what's up, the master? What's up, brother? Hold on, I gotta sip of water, bro. You need to have a higher time frame bias, correct? Yes. When you look at the external range liquidity and internal range liquidity, you'll figure it out. So, what did we do here? See, look. Where was our higher time frame? Okay, so look, this external range liquidity has been taken out. This external range liquidity, technically external range liquidity has been taken out. What could we expect? Shorts. Honestly, we could honestly expect shorts, but at the same time, look at the daily here. We're still in this daily fair value gap here. We could. I want to see a shorts play out here. Looks like we swept it and we just immediately dumped. So I'm expecting shorts. What did we do? Looks like we tapped this imbalance here, dumped. So what can we expect here? Potential shorts. So before I even look for a setup, I want to look to enter at 9:30 or 9:50. That's when I'll start to look for a setup. That's when macros. That's when the first macro starts to open up. So what I'm going to do is just wait until 9:50 starts. Okay, so 9:50 starts here, right? And what did we do? It looks like we came up, we swapped out this high, and then if we displace above this high, I will switch my bias to longs. But as of right now, I'm still very short bias. We swept out external range liquidity, which was this high, and we could seek out this internal range liquidity. But who knows? Let's see what happens. So this is great, honestly. Looks like we're rejecting this. Looks like we're still rejecting off this inverse fair value gap that we have. Let's see if we have any SMT. Okay, we have. Okay, I'm not even gonna bother. Okay, so now we don't have SMTs at the highs. Wait, yes, wait. Because right now, if you look here, now I'm looking at it, right? I'm looking at the 1 minute here. This looks like your market maker buy model. Honestly, it looks like we finished our market maker buy model. This was consolidation. This was consolidation. This whole thing was just consolidation here. Push down, up leg. This could be. Honestly, I'm very incompetent of this trade right now. I don't know if we want to go up or lower. But looks like ES just tapped. Well, okay, we have SMT here. Looks like ES just tapped this 4-hour imbalance. Wait. Yes, looks like ES just tapped this 4-hour imbalance. We have a SMT here. So, I could look for shorts here. I'm starting to look for shorts here. So, what can I expect? We did get a change of state delivery. We got a change of state delivery. So, which is here. This is the last candle. Or this was technically the last candle. But, this change of state delivery. But, am I confident in this trade? Will I take a confident that I'm not confident in? No. So, I'm not going to enter the short. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait. It looks like we just completely inverse this gap. I'm going to wait here still. So I'm not confident in this trade right now. Okay, so we displaced above this high, right? So could I look for longs? Potentially. But as you can still, we came to this internal range liquidity. We swept out external range liquidity. I'm looking for shorts still. Gotta be able to adapt whenever we can. If we can inverse this gap here, this will look decent. I'll honestly give short here a try. I'll give short here a try. Is this gonna work or what? Is this gonna work or what? There we go. Okay, so giving short here a try. Could get stopped out here. Honestly, could get stopped out here. But we shall see. Okay, we get ran fucking through. This stops. This is just. I mean, this looks great. I mean, honestly, we came up, swept out all these highs. We're in a 4-hour fair value gap. External range liquidity. It looks like we could go to this external range liquidity. But next day, honestly. Honestly, should have switched my bias as soon as we displaced above this high. But yeah, I mean, it happens. Shit too easy. It happens, bro. Like, I'm going to take L's, bro. And let's go to the next day here. Let's go to the next day. I'm up overall still on this account. So, what can we expect? Internal range liquidity to external range liquidity. Should see got this low. That's my drawn liquidity. Looking at the higher time, looking at this. Looks like we just came back and rebalanced here. So, I'm short bias, correct? Yes. So, I don't want to enter until 950 of this candle, or 950 here. So, I'm going to wait until 950, don't care what market does. Here. So, what can I expect? We have highs here. I want to see price potentially come back up and sweep out this high. And then, yeah. See. So, price came up, swept out this high. We have SMT between ES and EQ. We're in a higher time frame imbalance, which is this 4-hour fair value gap. But it looks like this candle completely flipped. So, let's see. Could short still be prominent here? I have no idea. We're about to see what happens here. If we displace above this high, or above these highs, I'll just go ahead and go longs. But as of right now, we're gonna have to wait. We don't have SMT anymore. We displaced above this high. So I'm honestly going to go potentially longs here. Longs here don't look bad. So it looks like we came up, swept up the slow. Gonna wait. We inverse this gap. I'm going to have my stop loss right here. And potentially target this high. But let's see. Negative 2 standard deviation. I'll take one. I'll go break even after this swing high is taken out. Oh my god. Okay. I need to chill. I need to chill. What could I... What? I don't know. Oh my god, bro. Okay. Whitney, go outside. Mommy needs you. Bro, I'm about to crash out. I'm about to crash out right now. Ah! Fuck. We displaced above this high. So I was like, okay. Maybe this is the fair value gap that we come back down to. Okay, so we came back to this fair value gap, right? We took an L here. Let's see what happens. We have a fair value gap here also. Let's see. Wow. Looks like our bias, first initial bias was correct. Okay, so I'm going to be honest. We ran through this imbalance, right? We ran through this imbalance. We could come back up and tap this inverse fair value gap and then dump. So I'm going to wait for a price to come back to this inverse fair value gap. Price came up to this inverse fair value gap. We're chilling in here for a little bit. If we can inverse this gap here, I'll go ahead and enter my short positions. Okay. We inverse this gap. Let's go ahead and put our stop loss here. Target this low. My initial entry would have been here, but let's see if we even get tapped, bro. Oh. Oh my god. If this low gets swept, I'm not gonna. Okay, so we came back. This could fail, honestly, if I'm being completely real. But since this low wasn't taken out, I want to see price come back down. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, hold up. You should have been low that. I mean, yes, this is probably a good point to take your profit, obviously, here. I should have realized that. I should have realized that. This is your external range liquidity. We came up, tap internal range. I wanted to see us tap this external range. I'm stressed out right now. Maybe try higher time frame. All right. We're going to a different day. Okay. All right. I'll go for it. I'll go for it. I'll go for it. I'll go for this time. I'm done. I'll go for this. I'll go for it. I'll actually go for this time. Give me a second. I gotta lock in. Alright, I actually gotta lock the fuck in. Alright. I'll play for real. I'll play for real. Alright, listen. What do we see? Go in the 4 hour. Hold up. Let me get a sip of water, bro. It's actually hot as fuck in here. Okay. Excuse me. What do we see? Fucking terrible price action. That's what we see. Okay. It looks like we traded from internal range liquidity to I want to see these highs. I'm bullish. I want to see these highs. I want to see these highs, right? I want to see these highs. So I'm bullish. Again. What did we see? Okay. So right now I'm not looking for shit until 950. I'm not looking for absolute shit. So what I'm going to do is just wait here. Okay. Boom. 950 happens. Now what? Do I want a long here? Absolutely fucking not. We swept up this high. Why would I want a long here? Absolutely not. We have a tiny 15-minute fair value gap here. Okay, or not. Okay, this was the same candle. So, we swept this high. I'm bullish. I want to see these lows. I want to see a rebalance in price. I want to see a rebalance in price, which is this low. Or this fair value gap. Because remember, we go for external range liquidity to internal range liquidity, right? So I want to see this fair value get swapped, just to get tapped. Okay. Looks like I was fucking incorrect. Holy fuck. I was incorrect. It looks like we came down. So I'm not this low. Perfectly. We started out this low perfectly. We inverse this fair value gap here. This would have been perfect, honestly. Perfect. Target high of day. Wow. Alright. Okay, I'll lock in. I'll lock in actually. I actually locked the fuck in. Like I said. I would have gotten entry there. That was my DOL for the day. Or for the thing. So, what did we do? We came up, swept external range liquidity. We want to go from external to internal. I'm bearish. I want to see price come down to this unmitigated 4-hour fair value gap. I'm bearish overall. So, okay, hold on. Okay, you're right. I gotta take a breather. I gotta snap my bitches back. Give me a second. Just kidding. No girls are bitches. Okay. So, I'm bearish. I'm not taking absolutely shit until 950. So, gonna wait. This 4-hour fair value gap is my drawn liquidity. So, what do we do? Oh, no. It looks like we came down, tapped this 15-minute fair value gap. We swapped out this external high. So, what do I want to see? I want to see price either... Okay, wait. Actually, where is 730? We could pump to this 730 opening. But, what do we see? Super these highs. I'm bearish. Now, what do I want to see? I have no idea, to be honest with you. Told you, side bitch number 5 is texting, bro. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. Alright. We could come up, if we draw our fifth from the 15-minute from this to this, we could seek out 50% mark. So, for me to even look for entry here, I either want to see a textbook motherfucking setup here. As you can tell, we have SMT between ES and NQ right now. SMT. So either we get a change of state of delivery and an inverse fair value gap. That's what I want to see. If we can get both, I'll look to enter. But if not, we're not entering shit. We still have SMT here. Like I said, price could come up to 50% mark of this range here. Boom. 50% mark. So, I'm waiting. Okay, so we don't get that, but we do have SMT here still. So, what do I want to see? We got a change in state of delivery, but we don't have an inverse fair value gap. But we did get a break of structure. So, I'm going to go ahead and enter my long position here because ES is making lower lows while NQ is making higher highs. So, obviously, this 4 hours is my drawn liquidity. But this is my break-even point. But I'm kind of cautious because we never tapped 50% mark of the range. But we did tap this imbalance here. So, fuck it. This is my first target. Okay, fucking stopped out. Okay. So, we finally got stopped out. So, we tapped equilibrium of this range. So, if we can come down, inverse this gap here in the 1 minute here, I'll go ahead and enter. So, okay, now we're going to go ahead and re-enter here. This looks great. We got to change the state of delivery, which was this candle here. Change in state of delivery. We inverse this gap. This is perfect. This is something I want to see. Boom. Target this low-hanging fruit. Go one contract. Market order. So, do we have an SMT? Hold up. Do we have an SMT here? Oh, shit, we do. We fucking have an SMT here. SMT. This looks great. Honestly. Watch. Ready? Okay, hold up. Hold up. I still think we go shorts. I still think we go shorts here. It looks like we just could be retracing back up to equilibrium of this range. We're still in equilibrium of this range. Unless, okay, so we're displacing above highs, right? So, what am I going to do? I'm going to wait for a liquidity sweep to target 7:30 opening. Unless if 7:30 opening gets hit first, then that's good. But so 7:30 was opened, tapped. So what do I want to see? I want to see price displace below this inverse fair value gap. So we got to displace. We got to change the state of delivery. Stops at this high, targeting lower this time. Like actually. I'm moving my stops to break even after the swing low is swept. I swear, if we get stopped out here. Okay, hold up. This is still New York session. So, this is the end of New York session here. Let this play out. There we go. Okay, first take profit was hit. Moving my stops to fucking break even, bro. I'm done. I can't do this. Okay, there we go. Finally dumping. Honestly, This is your 2R. So, this is called the weight method. This is called the weight method. Okay? This is something I learned. This is something I learned. This low was swept, right? This low-hanging fruit was swept. So, I'm going to trail my TP. I'm going to trail my stop loss if I can grab it. So this is the last low. This is right here. I'm trailing my stops right here. I can't grab this shit. Okay, I'm trailing my stops to here. So we keep dumping. Trailing my stops here. What? What's up, homie? All right, hold up. This is my other sister. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Pommy, do you think it's gonna go down or up? Up? No, wrong one. Do you think it's gonna go up or down?
Down.
Okay, good. That's what I want to hear. That's what I want to hear. We're going down. We're going down.
Wow.
So this is my next swing low. There we go. That's what I want to see, chat. That's what I want to see. No. Right, Pommy, good job. You got it right. High five. Yeah, good job. So look at the camera. Look at the camera. Okay, next, right? Next. Now this is my next swing low. My swing high. There we go, boy. Sit. Whoa. Who? Oh, I can't cuss. But look at this. I just made so much more than my losses. I took losses here, right? But I ended up banking after that. RR is everything. I'm telling you. RR is everything. RR is everything. Say RR is everything.
I.
RR is everything. Okay, go mama, okay? I'm about to bang. I'm telling you. I'm going to escape the matrix for you, okay? Okay, go mama. Bye-bye. Like I said, trailing your stuff is important. I'm telling you. I saw this on YouTube, bro. I saw this on YouTube. See, look. You know how I took L's over here? This one trade made me more than my losses over here. Bro, it's clip farming. Oh, you're right. I should clip that, honestly. Hold on. What time frame is it? Hold on. Let me clip this real quick. Let me clip it. 48 minutes. It was at 48 minutes. 48 minutes. Clipping that. Chat. Thank you. Thank you. Clipping it. Chat. Thank you. Next. just give me all my money. Look at that. And it just kept dumping. Chat, it just kept dumping, right? I would have. Chad, stop playing. I told you, this is the drawn liquidity. This is the 4-hour gap that I marked out. This was the drawn liquidity. Remember, we moved from external range to external range to internal range liquidity, right? That's what we did. I told you, this was the drawn liquidity. Just give me my money, bro. I'm telling you, chat. Yeah, no, in live markets, obviously, like, if I was only with one contract, I'm letting this run right here, honestly. And this is called, me trailing my stop was called the waiting. It's called WEIGHT, waiting. But guess what? I'm about to prove all your fuckers wrong. You guys were doubting me. I'm cooking, bro. I told you, this is the drawn liquidity. I told you, we're coming down here. And now, this is your beginning of your market maker buy model, bro. Look. This was your sell side of the curve. Now, we're starting to see the buy side of the curve. Right here, buy side of the curve. Buy side of the curve here. This was your sell side of the curve. Bro, y'all be down, bro. Y'all be down. No cap. Nah, I'm just playing. Yeah, no, I'm trying to have a good time. Like, I'm about to prove all the motherfucking haters wrong. I told you. Next, okay. Go here. Oh, get rid of this. RR matters way more than your percentage rate. I'm just letting you guys know right now. But percentage rate also matters. Okay, so. Right here. What do we see? We're bullish. We're bullish, right? I'm waiting for 950. I don't care what happens before 950, right? I'm just gonna wait. Not entering shit. 950 happens now. So what do we see? We sweep out this low. Boom. Do we displace this low? Not yet. We don't know. We don't know yet until this candle closes, right? I'm bullish, right? But as you can tell, we're making, because it looks like market wants to keep dumping, bro. Honestly, it looks like market is doing this. Market pushed up. We could get it. We want to see a breaker structure here. Live market is different. That's where your psychology kicks in. 100%. 100%. So, what do we see? What do you see? Look, honestly, I'm expecting this fair value gap, low key, to get tapped. But we are in a 4-hour fair value gap. We've completely filled this here. Gonna wait. Okay, so we tap this imbalance. What am I looking for? Boom. Inverse fair value gap. Tiny little inverse fair value gap here. So for me to even validate this, since we're buying at the dip, I want to see a change in state of delivery here. Boom. Enter my longs. Stop this at slow. And look, do we have any SMT between ES and NQ? Yes, we do. We have a slight SMT here. And let's see if we have any SMT on the higher time frame. Chat, listen. I told my sister I'm going to make it out of the matrix, and I will make it out of the fucking matrix. Watch. We have SMT at these lows on the higher time frame. Boom, here we go. This position should work. I'm looking to target high of day. Watch. Oh. Now this looks like your market maker buy model, honestly. Or I don't even fucking know. Let's go. Looking to target high of day. So, this is my first take profit, right? But I'm going to be doing the waiting strategy. So I'm looking for that high to get swept. Okay. Looks like we could get stopped out here. Maybe we got too greedy. I think. Yeah, too greedy. Too fucking greedy. Bro, no hate, but gotta minimize your swing low. These swing lows you're putting at the live market will cook you. Trust me from experience. Bro, it's getting greedy back testing. Hold on. Waiting on blowing the account strat, like the. Okay, listen. I got greedy here. To be honest, I got greedy. What I could have done? I could have. Because look, if you look here, these are small consolidations on the lower time frame. If you drop down to the 30-second, 15-second, this is consolidation. This is consolidation. This is consolidation. I honestly should have taken my profits at this high, realistically speaking. But like I said, I wanted this high, and we got stopped out. We got faded. But our winners are so much bigger than our losses, to the point where this shit doesn't matter if we take an L here. What's up? Wait, hold on. I'm busy. Sorry. Win rate over RR. That's crazy. All right, okay. I'm going to wait for PM session here. This still looks very good. I'm still looking to target high day here. PM session starts here. So I don't care what happens here until PM session starts. Here we go. PM session starts. What do? We have SM. Oh, we don't have any. Oh, wait. Do we end up spinning this low? Okay, now I want to see the slow get swept. Okay, fuck that. We're going to the next day. Fuck, I don't really give a fuck. Okay, next. As you tell, high of day was not swept, but yeah, it happens. Bro, I gotta lock the fuck in, bro. Listen, our matters so much more than your win rate. 100%. Ray? No. Me, I know Ray. Or we used to like chill. Oh, not chill. We used to like just snap. But yeah, I'll do it. Tight shit. Bro, Ray, check your DMs, bro. I used to snap Ray, bro. She was alright. She was alright. I mean, she was alright. You should do 1 to 2 RR. You'll be more profitable. 2 RR, 70% raise premium trading goal. Never understood people expecting a higher reward without taking 1 or 2 RR. 100%. But I'm only in there with one contract, so it's like I can't really like hold my runners. You know what I mean? But let's go here. We got to look good for Ray. Hold up. Sorry. Are you streaming on another platform? Yes, I'm streaming on my YouTube channel. How long do you think you'll be making out of the Matrix? Hopefully by the end of this year. That's the goal. By the end of this year. So let's go. We went from external range to internal range. I want to see these. This is the drawn liquidity for me. This is the drawn liquidity for me. I want to go longs, but I don't really give a fuck what happens until 950. Oh, this looks like news. Do we have news on this day? Or not news? I don't even know. So I want to see this. Okay, so it looks like we came down, tapped this order block, boom, tap the order block. I want to see price push up to these highs. Let's see. Bro, I think these candles look like shit. I think we have new I think we have a holiday on this day. But like I said, we tap the order block. Let's see what happens. Okay, so we get a change of state of delivery. Boom, change of state of delivery. And we also inverse this fair value gap here. Longs look good, honestly. I'm going to go to long here. But I want to look, before I even look longs, I want to see if we have any SMT here. Yes, we have SMT between ES and EQ right here. Boom. Looks like I want to target this 4-hour fair value gap. And if you look, this looks like your marker maker buy model. Like right here, we got sell side of the curve right here on the lower time frame. Sell side of the curve. Let me mark it out. Where's it at? Where's the curve? Sell side of the curve. And this should be your buy side of the curve. We hit a point of interest. Looks this is what it looks like right here. Boom, 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 consolidate, boom, consolidation, boom, point of interest, boom, first take right, ooh, boom, right here, boom, and then potentially higher. So that's what I can see. Yeah, I can smell the fucking profit here, low key. Let's run it. Let's run it. We'll go 2 contracts because if we go 2 contracts, we're only risking about $380. That's okay. And yeah. Oh. Okay, hold on. I mean, honestly, this looks great. We had a change of state of delivery. Higher time frames. Order block. I'm gonna give this another try. If we do, okay. If we inverse this fair value up here, I'll give this another try. And I think we have a holiday on this day. We have a holiday on this day because look at how these candles are moving. Yeah, we have a holiday on this day. Go next day. Even no. So if you go before this stream right here, I was winning like I was like 2 for fucking 4 or 3 for 4, bro. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so it looks like we just came down and stopped this external or lower liquidity, right? So therefore, go on the daily time frame. Look at the daily time frame. What are we at? We swept out external range liquidity. We're in this internal range liquidity here. I want to see price push up to the upside, right? It looks like we still have this external range liquidity. So I'm bullish. Let's see what happens. Internal range liquidity to external range liquidity. Watch, ready, watch. Okay, okay, okay. I'll lock in. Watch. I'll lock the fucking watch. Boom, sweep. Boom, sweep. So what do you want? I don't give a fuck what happens until 950, which is here. So 950 starts. We came down. Tap this fair value gap. Sweeps this. But we want to see what did we reject? We have rejection blocks here. But did we break structure? Yes, we did. We broke above this previous high because market went like this. Down, up, broke structure to the upside, market structure shift to the upside. Now we're tapping this order block. Boom, order block here. So, let's see what happens. We got an inverse fair value gap here. I'm going to enter here. Boom. Stops at this low. Target is this high. But since that's a low risk RR, what I'm going to do is draw this fib out. -2 standard deviation, which matches perfectly with these odds. So what I'm going to do is place 2 cons. Right? I'll be risking about $1,300. No, actually, we'll go 1. I lied. We already have a market structure shift on the higher time frame. We also inverse this gap. So, therefore, I want to see longs. Hold up. Hold up. I still want to go longs. Can we inverse this gap? I'll go longs if we can inverse this gap. Okay, hold up. So, looking at this, what do we see? This place is, we see bodies closing below this low, right? So, what can we say? Oh, we could go lower. So, what I'm going to do is, okay, we have a 5-minute fair value gap here. And I'm going to wait and see what happens here. We tap the 5-minute. We're going to wait. Okay, so we tap the 5-minute fair value gap here. Rejected it nicely. What I'm going to do is we got to change the state of delivery. What's up? Okay, hold up. Stops at this high. And then, actually, what I'm going to do is stops at this high. We gotta get a little breathing room, you know what I mean? Chat. So now, target 2R here. Or we could do, well, what we can do is, okay, oh no, we have a Fibonacci tool. This is most likely where price could reverse. So now what I'm going to do is place my order here, one contract here, market order. Boom. Don't do this. Don't do this. There we go. Oh, there we go. Chat. Hold up. Okay, so this is our new manipulation leg here. Okay, so there we go. I'm gonna wait. Let's see. Price is chopping. Honestly, I'm moving myself to break even. Fuck that shit. So, I'm looking for -2 standard deviation here. What can we do? This honestly looks like your soup. We have those down here. Oh, we have generated sell side liquidity. This looks like your soup. We have to run through this. I'm gonna wait. We're over bearish in the bearish market. Market is still open, by the way. Market is still open. This is where market closes, by the way. Let's see. Come on. Chat. There we go. So, we tap this, right? We tap this. Hold up, let me get rid of this. It took all day, but we tapped it. So what can we do? Standard deviation. Taps this. I don't want to see price come back up to this high, for sure. If we do, we keep dumping. We're sweeping out lows. This is called the waiting strategy. Boom. This is your next trail stop. This right here is your next trail stop. Okay. What RR do we get? We got a 1.6 RR. No, because the reason why I'm trailing my stop, because I want to make it realistic as possible. Bro, what are you doing here? Panda Express needs a worker. Bro, for real, dude. Their fucking line is, like, terrible, bro. It takes, like, forever to get my fucking orange chicken and fucking fried rice, bro. I'm being so dead ass. And they be, like, greedy as fuck, too. Yeah, looks like we got to start at a perfect spot. Boom. Beautiful. Okay, hold up. Let's see it. Let's see. Analytics. I think it's like 30 oh my god, 33% win rate. But we're up overall. How does that